11,000 watts. Hi guys, my name is Meriga Emmanuel from Solargod Anchor Limited. Here in Lafia, Nasarawa State, we just concluded another installation of 11,000 watts with 30,000 watt hour lithium battery. That is 30 kilowatt hour. On the roof here, we have 18 units of 620 watt bifacial solar panels, but because we couldn't reach or we couldn't get monofacial solar panels, so we decided to use bifacial here. But after everything, they're automatically monofacial because just one side of the solar panels are working. So let me take you guys to where our battery and our inverter is to see what we did there. Let's go. Who will bring this file here? I don't know. And here is the complete setup. A 6 kilowatt inverter from deye with double MPPT. MPPT1 can handle 6,000 watts and MPPT2 can handle the same 6,000 watts. The inverter has an inbuilt Wi-Fi module, which you can view everything happening from the inverter. And here we have 2 units of 15 kilowatt lithium battery from cworth. Each of these guys 15 kilowatt, communicated in parallel, working as a single unit of power bank, which is 30 kilowatt hour. And here we have our breaker box containing protective devices, the voltage guard, the SPD, and the breakers. And here is our bus bar connecting these two batteries together in order for them to work as one. We have our rotary switch here. If you are fast, this guy works like an automatic switch if you are fast. So this is the complete setup: a 30 kilowatt hour lithium battery, 6 kilowatt deye inverter, and 11,000 watts from the solar panel. We are here to do something like this for you.